according to the IEEE standard, okay, IEEE has a standards over there, and according to that one, see what is an error. Okay, so error is a mistake usually caused by humans, such as mistake in performing an activity. Like example, a designer may misunderstand a requirement, so that is an error. Okay, so the designer, you give an one design, okay, and he misunderstood the requirements. You told him to make a page where the button is on the top right, but he made a web page and the button is on the top down, right? So this is a design error. See, you see, this was asked by the user, and this was done by the developer over there, right? So this is the error, right? So a mistake usually caused by the human, such as mistake in performing an activity, right? So this is example. A designer misunderstood the requirements. Whatever the requirements was given by the user, by the client, and he misunderstood the requirements and he did an error. Okay, this is the error. Now let's go for the faults. What is a fault? Fault, error. For example, if you do one error or two errors, okay, or many errors, this will lead to the fault. An incorrect step. So fault is like a little bit major, more than the error. Okay? Error is like smaller. So many errors, they get together and it leads to a fault that represent a problem behind the scene, right? So it represent a problem. So it is a potential problem. So fault is a big problem, potential problem. For example, when the designer misunderstanding led to the error in coding requirements and the definitions. Okay, so it is not only the design and the like for example small error, it is the number of errors. So it is the error in the coding. The coding has been like misconfigured. The requirements definition has been misconfigured. For example, if there is an error like this one, if you input two inputs over there, you say like for example 2 plus 3 and it gives you 6. So this is a programming error. See, so it means the output is not correct over there, right? So if I say like for example, if there's a simple page, JavaScript page, and I say input the two numbers, the user input number here and also here, and the addition is wrong over there, so it means the two products he bought it and the another three products he bought it, and at the end your system counts 6 products instead of the 5. So it means it is a fault. It's not a small error over there, right? So in the previous one, if the design is, for example, if the button is from here instead to here, right, it's not a problem, right? So the output will be like 5 products, or instead of showing here, it shows over here. So it is like a small error. Okay, people can notice it and even people can ignore it. No problem over there. The error in the coding, if it instead of 5 products, it is showing 6 products. So it's a big loss for eBay. It's a big loss for souk.com. It means that the customer will be unhappy, and it will be like a problem for it's a big design problem. Now let's go for the next one, a failure. Okay, failure is that, for example, faults can be fixed up. Now the failure is more dangerous. This is like more like severe, is a departure from the system required behavior, right? So it is more dangerous over there. So for example, if this is a page, okay, and let's see the example. We have a deviation from intended behavior, not necessarily the specification. You log in the Blackboard and find you're logging into another student account. See, so what happened? You log your ID in the Blackboard and your password, and instead of Mullah, it's showing Talmasani account. You'll say, Ish Haza, what's the problem? Okay, so this is called the deviation from intended behavior to a different behavior. Now it is not a problem of specification. It is something very serious over there. So the system is failed now. The students is not going to use this system. The teacher are not going to use this system, and even the university will not by the system over there, right? So this is the failure over there. So error can be fixed, like faults can be fixed, but failures are rejection, total rejection of the software over there.